In a world where climate change was threatening our planet, a group of ordinary people decided to become extraordinary. Meet Alex, a young tech whiz, Sarah, an environmental scientist, and Carlos, a passionate gardener. One day, while scrolling through social media, they stumbled upon shocking images of a dying coral reef, endangered animals, and extreme weather disasters. They couldn't stand idly by any longer. Together, they formed the EcoHeroes team. Their mission? To save the planet, one eco-friendly project at a time. They started by launching a local tree planting campaign. Within weeks, the whole town joined in. Trees flourished, air quality improved, and birds returned to sing their songs. Next, they invented a solar-powered trash compactor that reduced litter in public spaces. It caught the attention of the city, and soon, these smart bins were installed all over town. But their most significant challenge came when a massive oil spill threatened their coastline. The EcoHeroes mobilized the community and cleaned up the mess, working tirelessly day and night. Their efforts spread like wildfire on social media, inspiring people worldwide to take action in their own communities. Soon, EcoHeroes chapters sprouted up in cities across the globe. Together, they tackled climate change, plastic pollution, and deforestation, making headlines and turning the tide against environmental destruction. Their story went viral, attracting the attention of influential leaders and celebrities who pledged their support. Governments enacted stricter environmental policies, and companies adopted greener practices. The EcoHeroes journey showed that anyone with determination and heart can make a difference. They proved that the power to save the planet is within us all. As their movement continues to grow, one thing is clear. The world now has a new generation of eco-superheroes, fighting for a healthier, greener future for all.